Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image. Go to adjustment, channel mixture. Select blue channel. Blue 0%. Make green bar 100%. Adjustment, selective color. Select red. Make cyan plus 60%. Yellow plus 100%. Keep rest as same 0. Select cyan. Make cyan minus 100% and keep rest as same 0. Go to neutrals. Cyan minus 15%. Yellow plus 5%. Black plus 20% and keep rest as same 0%. Go to blacks. Here make all slide bar plus 100%. Go to curves, RGB, and follow the step like this. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video, and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.